How to enable cookies on iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable cookies on your iPhone or iPad. This is quick and easy process that will help you access all the features of website that requires cookies to function properly. First, let's start by opening the settings app on your device. You can find it on your home screen. Just tap on it to jump into the settings. Now, scroll all the way down until you see the option for Safari. Once in Safari, you need to scroll down a bit until you find the section that says Block All Cookies. Here, if this option is highlighted in green, that means cookies are currently being blocked. To enable cookies, simply tap the switch to turn it off. And just like that, your cookies on Safari are now enabled. This will lift the limits on many websites that requires cookies to function correctly. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.